Hello class 8th student, it's a part 24 chapter 8 science. Here we are discuss the long questions and we are on the question number 4. Write the functions of, here you have to write the function of thyroid gland, pancreas and hypothalamus. So what are the function of thyroid gland? We know this thing that thyroid gland absorb the iodine from the blood, and then it release the thyroxine hormone which help for the physical and mental development. While we talk about the pancreas, it is a dual duct, endocrine and exocrine both. It having the cells which produce the hormone named insulin, and it is useful for maintaining the level of sugar in the body. And the function of hypothalamus is, this hypothalamus sends signal to the pituitary gland as it located nearby of the pituitary gland. It sends signals to the pituitary gland that in which amount the hormones are produced or stimulate or inhibit, means what amount of the hormones it secreted and at what amount it should be stopped, means it is control that hypothalamus activity and give the signal to it for inhibition or the stimulation of the hormone production. Come for the next question, that is list the secondary sexual character of both males and females. We see the secondary characters in males, that the growth of hairs on the, or we can say the facial hairs also introduced in this age, that like the beard and the mustache and pubic area. In the pubic area also the hairs also growth, and in the under armpit there is also the growth of hairs we seen in the males. Second thing, enlargement of the larynx or the voice box and the voice becomes loud. This is also seen in the males. And the third thing, that the development of the testes, that is the male reproductive system. The second thing which we see in the females, there are also some changes in the females. The first one, development of mammary gland and the breast size, and development of ovary. And the third thing is that the growth of the hairs in pubic area and armpit. So these are change which we see under the secondary sexual characters of males and females. Now come on the exercise G, out of the box. Here some children grow taller than either or both of their parents, means some children grow tall either their mother or the father or from the both, while others may not. Why? But some are not looking like tall in comparison to their parents. What is the reason behind it? So this tallness is a inherited character, means it is passed on by the genes from parent to the offspring. And the second thing which is responsible for this height, that is growth hormone, amount of growth hormone. If the amount of growth hormone is adequate or in the proper manner, so the height should be tall, and otherwise the height will not tall. It should be average or the short heighted. So height may be vary. Height may be differ from person to person. That is the two reason, inheritance or the growth of hormone. Second thing, Vishal, a 14 years old boy, is being teased by his friend as his voice is breaking. How should Vishal react? Means a 14-year-old boy Vishal. Now his friend tease him, bother him for the voice breaking, that his voice is breaking. So what the Vishal should do? What the Vishal react? So there is no need to bother, or there is no need about the voice change because it is a change which is comes in the adolescence age, which is comes when the puberty stage is going on, and Vishal is passing through this stage. So after this he will all right in the few weeks. That's why he need not to be worried. Now the exercise H. Here is a picture. Label the endocrine gland system. So this diagram you also seen in the chapter also. Here we write first is hypothalamus, second pituitary gland, then the third one is thyroid gland and the parathyroid glands. Here it is a thymus, ovary in female, this one is a testicle in males, and here the adrenal gland over the top of kidney, and in the yellow color adrenal part it's a pancreas. So we complete this diagram. Come for the next. Identify the endocrine gland shown in the given picture. Describe the location and the hormones secreted by it in our body. Look at the picture. You are able to see it's the shape of pancreas if you recognize. Now you have to give the what is this means name of the endocrine gland, that is pancreas. Location you have to give the location. So it lies between the stomach and spine, connected to the duodenum, that is a part of small intestine. And which hormone is secreted by it? That is insulin. Insulin hormone is secreted by it. Here class, chapter 8 is completed. You have to do this chapter in neat and clean handwriting in your fair notebook. Thank you class.